Hola, welcome to Fan of Spanish Materials. In this video, we're going to learn three verbs that are really handy, and these verbs are really important because they are related to the movement of objects. And when we talk about a, a plate or a mug or anything that you can move, put on the table, to bring or to take. So it's important that we know these verbs. So the first one is the verb poner. This is an easy topic. It's just to review three verbs. That's all. The verb poner is to put. For now, we're gonna take it as to place things. To put things. It's an verb. It has the first irregularity here. As you can see, it has the go, pongo, yeah, and the rest is normal. So, yo pongo, I put, tú pones, you put, él pone, he puts, ella pone, she puts, usted pone, nosotros ponemos, vosotros ponéis, ellos ponen, they put, ellas ponen, females, ustedes ponen, you guys put. Yeah, that's the verb to put. You can put things on the table, you can put things in your backpack, you can put things in your pocket. So it's a really important one. Yeah. Um, Now, traer is to bring. Yeah. Um, and it's also irregular in the first person. You can see the go here. So yo traigo, yeah. Traes, trae, traemos, traéis, traen. So the rest is normal for an verb. So yeah, yo traigo, tú traes, él, ella, usted trae, nosotros traemos, vosotros traéis, ellos traen. And it means to bring, yeah. Um, and there is this one here, the last one that is very special. It can work as to bring or to drive somebody in a car. It can also work as to take with you. So it's to take with you, primarily. Take with you is when you take an object and then you take it with you somewhere. But this we use it a lot when we are talking about to drive a person, somebody, or to give a person a ride. So when you wanna drive a person, somebody, then yeah, it's also like that because at the end of the day, you're taking the person with you somewhere, right? So and yeah, so also sometimes people use it as like to bring, because you're you're taking an object somewhere with you, so you're bringing it here. So llevar is a very versatile verb, and it's good that you start using it. So yo llevo, I take with me, I bring, or I drive, yeah. Tú llevas, él lleva, nosotros llevamos, vosotros lleváis, ellos llevan. So you can see these varies. This is completely regular, doesn't have any irregularities. Yeah. Um, so yeah, you can. The difference between traer and llevar is that traer is when you say traer, the object is brought to the place where you are. Yeah, you're here. The object is brought to the place where you are. Llevar is exactly the same, but it's the opposite. So you're here, right? And the object is going away from you. So it's not coming to you. Yeah. Is the object is going somewhere else. Yeah. That's the big difference between traer and llevar. So let's say there is a there is a picnic, right? There is a picnic, and then you are here at the picnic, and you have a friend here. He's at home, and he has a bunch of things. So you're gonna tell your friend, "Hey, bring this," right? because the things that are here in his house, you want them to go to you. So you're going to use the verb to bring. You, if you ask your friend, hey, can you bring this and that? Cool. But now your friend is going to use the verb llevar because your friend is here and all the objects are with him. The objects are going to go away, so they're going to go somewhere else. Your friend doesn't need you to bring things to him. He's going to bring the objects there. So we're going to use the verb llevar. So he's going to say, yo voy a llevar, or yo llevo la cámara, yo llevo la carne, yo llevo los tomates, yeah, yo llevo el agua. So he's gonna bring all these things there. He's gonna take all these things with him there, yeah. And he also can drive a person. He can give a person a ride. So he can also say, sí, yeah, yo llevo a María. He's gonna bring Maria also, yeah. So you see the difference. In English, we use the verb to bring for both situations, but in Spanish, we don't. Traer is when the object comes to you. Llevar is when the object goes away with you somewhere else. That's it. Yep. Uh, that would be it. I hope you enjoyed this and you use these three verbs a lot. How to practice it? Just introduce, incorporate these verbs in your conversations. Talk about objects and talk about moving them or putting them somewhere or bringing them. So this is just part of the exercise, just to talk about objects and how you put them in different places. Yeah. Yeah, that will be it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.